Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career circumstance. And Cancers, today for your moon energies, we'll be picking this card. I will leave it here. And for your love guidance, we'll be picking one card, and I will leave this card here, guys. If you like this reading, if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Cancers, I have a very good friend of mine who is an intuitive reader, and she is giving personal reading in Fever. So you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description, guys, Cancers. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Eight of Pentacles in reverse, Hierophant, and Two of Pentacles in reverse, Cancers. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your personal life, you have something important to do and something important to decide on, and you are thinking what will be the right decision today, and something is not clear for you. Maybe for some of you, you have what to say, you have something tempting you towards some choice. So it may be a decision in your career. Some offers may come up suddenly and you feel tempted to take up those offers, and it may look like something really good, something very positive, and you want to try that. But you have your knowledge and you have a lot of experience, and that experience may tell you something different. So deep down you are quite confused. You don't know what will work or what will be the right choice for you today in your circumstances, Cancers. So some doubts or confusions are there because of this, because of your intuition and your passion is not coinciding, something different, something confusing. And maybe same way in this relationship, guys, you may have certain dreams or certain fantasies, and though you may have a level of understanding, though you may feel that this person is someone good and with someone what to say, someone really honest, and you have a level of understanding, but whatever it is, you have a lot of dreams and fantasies, and something is tempting you to put a hold to this love or um, wait for something. Maybe you are focusing on someone different, or you just don't want to decide anything today. Maybe you want to take time, wait and see where things are going. So something is tempting you, or something is making you wait instead of moving towards some concrete decision in this love. And maybe for some of you, you are getting some important letter from this person. It may be a message or it may be a letter. So something telling you what they truly feel or what they want with you, or what are their expectations or what will be their decision. in this love. So, some information is coming to you today, guys, and for most of you, I see it is something good, but for some of you, it may be something bad, guys. It may be something bad because you are confused, and maybe even they may sense that, and they want to make a decision right now. So, for your relationship, we picked one card. We'll see what it is first. So, it is Queen of Cups. So, with this card, it just means that you are having a beautiful relationship with this person. So, maybe you are making an important decision, or they are making an important decision. That may be the reason you are thinking it out. Maybe you are stepping towards commitment or marriage, engagement maybe. That may be the reason for deep thought, or that wait. So you want to wait for the right time. But with this card, guys, it just means that you are a loving and caring person. You both share that honest, loving relationship with each other, and you both have a deep emotional bond in this connection. So things may work out. That is what I feel with this card, guys. Cancers, things may, maybe you are just thinking to make some important decisions, but it may not be something drastic. So for your career circumstances, we picked one card, and it is Lovers. So in your work situation, you are moving towards some partnership or some collaboration, something that is going to work in a perfect way for you guys. So it may take you towards your dreams and goals, and you are going to taste success very soon in your work circumstances, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your moon energy for today. We picked one card, and it says nothing is yet set in stone, mutable moon. So there are huge changes happening, and if you do not like your circumstances today, maybe whatever has unfolded, you need not worry, guys, because you can still influence the change you want to. So nothing is yet decided, or nothing is yet concrete. So you can influence the change you want it to be, and you need to focus on what you truly want, guys, because you are moving towards your goals. So if you do the right actions, it's going to have a greater impact on the results you are seeing. So it may be your situation in your work, or even in this relationship. So whatever you want, you need to go for it. Hold on to your vision and stay focused, and that will help you. That will, simply make you reach your dreams. So you must have positive intentions. If it is something in your relationship, whatever results you want, if you have that positive intention today and go on thinking about it, dreaming about it, you can be rest assured that you are achieving it definitely, guys. So for your love guidance, Cancers, we picked this card, and it says forgiveness. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, if we want to move forward in a positive way, we must forgive. That will remove all that old blockages, all that emotional distress that we have, and that will make way for that love energy to work through us, guys. And forgiveness is the cornerstone of love. So if you want to, what to say, accomplish something, you must let go of your ego, because in any circumstance ego just drives us, and it will make circumstances very difficult. And when you cannot forgive, you are just holding on to that past hurt and feelings, and you are not in control of yourself. So when you forgive, you just give up all those toxic feelings that we have and make room for something good, something positive, and something loving that universe is bestowing upon us. So we must forgive those circumstances and forget the hurt but not the lessons, and move forward in a positive way that is going to help us each and every day of our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, cancers, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.